Hey everyone, welcome to this Yak Chat tutorial video. Today, we're diving into the settings panel so you can make sure your messaging experience is tailored just the way you like. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and click on your avatar found in the drop-down menu. Then, select Settings. This will open up the Settings panel. In the first tab, General, you'll see your details. Now, just a heads up, these details can only be managed by an admin through the admin portal, so you won't be able to edit them here. You'll also notice your credit balance displayed, but just like your details, this can't be changed from here. One cool feature you have is the ability to switch between light and dark themes for your messaging app. Just choose what feels best for you. Lastly, if you need a fresh start, there's an option to restart the application. Perfect if you're troubleshooting or just want to reload your settings. Next up is the Chats tab. Here you can choose your default inbox. This is the inbox that will open automatically when you launch Yak Chat, and it'll also be the one that's selected by default when you go to send a message. Super handy to streamline your workflow. Moving on to the Contacts tab. This is where you can choose your default contact book. This is the contact list that will appear automatically when you open the Contacts page. It helps you stay organized and ready to reach out to the right people in no time. Next is the Shortcuts tab. Here you can create and manage your shortcuts. If you're interested in learning more about shortcuts, make sure to check out our dedicated shortcut tutorial, where we go over everything in detail. And finally, the Out of Office tab. This is where you can manage your out-of-office status, so your contacts know when you're away. If you want to learn more about how to set this up, be sure to check out our out-of-office tutorial for all the tips. That's all for this tutorial on the Yak Chat settings panel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe for more Yak Chat tips and tutorials.